Hey guys, so in this question we want to figure out the Venn diagram for A union B prime and as well for A prime intersect B. All right, so let's start with the A union B prime. All right, so again I think this is method will work. If I have A, I'm going to be in A. If I have B prime, means out of B, sorry, and the union means or. All right, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna divide your Venn diagram in 4 parts. This is the first part here, second part this crescent, the intersection will be the third part, and the other crescent will be the fourth part. All right, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna ask both questions. All right, so am I in A? Am I outside of the B? And if one of them is satisfied, you take it. Why? Because you have the statement or. All right, so either of the statement is true, then you take it. So let's start with the first one. So if I am in this part here, so am I in A? The answer is no. All right, am I outside the B? And the answer is yes. So you're gonna shade this part. All right, moving on right now for this part here, and the first question is am I in A? And yes is true, so you don't need to go further. You're done, you're gonna take it for this part as well. So let's go again with the same question, am I in A? And the answer yes, I'm still in A. All right, you see this is the circle of the A, so everything in A here is included. Okay, so next I'm gonna go to this part here, which is this crescent, and the question is am I in A? The answer is no. All right, so the first answer is no. And the second question, am I outside the B? And the answer is no as well. Right, so you're not taking this, so you're shading everything except this area, because I am taking this area here, I'm taking this area, I'm taking this area, so I can shade everything except the crescent in B. All right, okay, so this is the first part. All right, let's move on to the second part, and we're gonna do exactly the same thing. So I'm gonna write my statement, A prime intersect B, and the A prime means out of A, and the B means in B, and the and here, well, the intersection means and. Okay, so with the meaning of the and here, the statement, both of them, they have to be true in order to take it. So you cannot take it because one of them is true. You have to take both statement true, has to be true. All right, so let's do the same thing. We're gonna divide our chart in the first part outside, the first crescent in A, second the intersection, that the third part, and the last part is going to be the second crescent in B. Right, and let's start with the question. So am I outside the A for the first one? Yes, that's correct. Am I inside the B right now? The answer for the second one is wrong, so I'm not taking this. All right, it has to be both of them is true. So again, am I outside the A? And the answer is wrong here, so I'm not taking it. If I move to this part, am I outside of the A? And the answer is wrong, so I'm not taking it. All right, and then move on to this one, am I outside the A? The answer is yes for the first one. Am I inside the B? The answer is yes, so both of them are yes here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and shade the only part that is correct. All right, so now we're done with A, we're done with B, and the question is in C here, are the sets A union B prime, and well, A union B prime, it would be this part here. All right, and A prime intersect B would be this part over here. Are they equals? And obviously it's not, right? So one, actually they are complement of each other, but they are not equals, so the answer should be no. And that's all.